we continue our quest for waterfalls. Join us as we scour the earth to find the most magical, beautiful, and mystical of waterfalls. Okay, we're now at the Agate Falls Roadside Park.
Egg.
Yeah, egg at the Agate Falls. We got campers everywhere. Ooh. Wow, something just fell out of the tree.
It was a tourist.
Oh, just a leaf. It looked like something different.
Bird.
Okay, let's go check out Agate Falls, see what we got. Oh, they got some beautiful picnic places.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Down.
Oh, I thought you were headed that way. So we got a trail down that way.
It stops right at the picnic table.
And a trail over this way. Oh, it doesn't, keeps going.
What? Down? That's
Up
steep.
that little hill there. They said that they didn't have the best trails for these falls, but no, I'm sure that ain't. This, because it said this is the largest, one of the largest and most impressive in Michigan.
I don't know, Bob. It's pretty hard to beat.
So, by largest, I don't know if they mean widest, tallest, what. Just follow the trail and see where it goes.
Yeah.
Lots of pretty rapids.
Yeah, push it. Get on it with you.
That can't be it.
What's up, Doc?
Oh, wow. You have to go up there to get a good view?
Hi.
Ooh-wee. Wow. Whew.
Waterfall. There it is. I think Bob's impressive.
Yeah, it doesn't look like we're going to get a very good view of it.
Show you over in the corner.
Think so? Huh. It does look pretty what we can see of it, that's for sure. Yeah, that paper says if you scramble down by the river, you can get a good view, but apparently they stop people from scrambling down by the river there. Well, 'cause yeah, you get down on that little spot down there, you get a perfect view, probably. But I guess we'll just have to settle for a sideways view, but it sure is pretty. Bridge up there. I don't even know how to get up. Oh, I see. There's the end. Yeah, I guess we could get up there. Trail up to the bridge, huh?
Ah, if you want to be crazy enough. I'm not going with it, man. I love you, but not that much. You go up this path here,
Okay.
and onto that bridge and shoot down.
Hey, I'll see if I can get up there.
You gonna do it?
Yeah,
Okay.
just a little uphill and on a bridge.
Put the train on, bro.
Is that a train track? Oh, well, if it's a train track, I ain't going. I thought it was just a bridge.
No. You see the train shuttles like from here.
Okay, then no, I ain't gonna mess with no train track.
Oh, well. I gave you the option.
Did you ever watch the movie Stand By Me?
No, I heard jump off the bridge by me, though. Just do a belly flop, that's how you go.
Another pretty part of it. I'll see what I can get here. It looks like a little baby Niagara Falls. Ooh, see if I can get a little bit of this. Oh, that looks beautiful down there. I wish we could get down there. Not with these slippery sandals. Well, the paper did say they didn't provide very good trails for viewing, but if you want to scramble down by the river, you could get some good views. So.
The reason why they don't want people to do that.
Yeah. So I didn't know what to expect. So I'm going to go check this out here.
Go ahead.
Very beautiful river, that's for sure. Let's see what's under the bridge. Ooh. He's back there trying to see if he can get a bumblebee. No. So we are heading down to Saxon Falls Flowage, which we assume is a man-made waterfall, but we'll still check her out.
Question?
Okay, yes?
Who's gonna pull my fat ass up this hill?
Answer, you are.
Oh shit. I was gonna go that way.
It's a nice trail though, huh?
We could have drove down here. I think a lot of people did.
Yeah, what the heck? It didn't look like a road when they were coming up the thing there. Yeah, I didn't see no signs that said don't drive down here.
Me neither.
Ooh, you can feel the knees crunch, crunch, crunch. There goes my cartilage, crunch, crunch, crunch. Geez, there's a parking area down here.
Really?
Maybe we definitely could have drove down here.
Sure, the parking area is workers.
Oh, looks like a parking area right there.
Oh, well, we need to walk.
Yeah. They even have a toilet here.
Mm-hmm.
Where the hell do we go to see it though?
Follow the arrows. Shows it right there.
Yeah.
Viewing area.
Oh yeah. Well, that's a relief, so we don't have to look at it through the fence. Ooh, big drop off.
Yeah. Is there like a white drop?
Maybe look at this old
Yeah.
foundation here. What the heck was that?
Probably old building for electric.
Cool. Ooh.
Yeah, no, this is worth it.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Beautiful.
Holy man, is that down low too?
Yeah, they're all low this year. Unbelievable.
You don't get a very good view for pictures of that one though. This little one you do. Ooh, spooky woods. Wow. Hey, somebody put a little message there. God is waiting for you to hand over your something. In between those two trees, there's a little message. God is waiting for you to hand over your problems to Him. He is able. That's so far down you can barely see it.
Zoom in.
And I ain't going any closer to the edge either. Oh, that'd be kind of cool. It's like a water slide. It'd be cool to climb up there. Like a big old slide. And that one over there we just ain't gonna get a very good view of. Just think when that water is raging, probably just go over the whole thing all at once. I don't know if water's ever raging anymore. Seems like everything's drying out.
Yeah. Hey?
Yeah, I guess I'm on the wrong side of the fence. Hey, handsome stranger than me. Looks pretty clean, so I'll tinkle a couple drops like this.
There she goes.
Hey guys, if this movie doesn't get posted, you know that we never made up this hill, so call for help.
Oh, shoot. Yeah? Yeah. Really? I'm serious. Yeah.
Prairie Times 2 mobile. We made it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.